My name is Manyou Sun. I'm from University of Waterloo. Actually, I just finished my PhD program 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and my PhD topic is additive manufacturing, metal additive manufacturing, especially the surface finishing and the additive manufacturing of energy systems. Okay, so firstly, I think when it comes to additive manufacturing, most of people will think about its application in aerospace or defense or automotive industry. That's why we would like to find some novel applications, especially in biomedical or energy application. And for this specific topic, actually, at first, initially, it was inspired by some surface textures that we could find in nature, and some specific surface could contribute to the unique properties. And for example, the shark skin. And that's why we would like to use this property to in design of additive manufacturing, which could be benefit in all the systems containing fluid flow in like green energy or energy storage or electrochemical systems. I think we face lots of challenges in this project. For example, the design, our design needs very precise features, small and precise features for achieving a better performance. But we know that currently additive manufacturing techniques has lots of limitations. For example, it has limitations on the on this small printable features. And also the surface quality is not that much desirable, and it's very challenging to depowder from those small holes. That's why we need to make a compromise. We have to come up with a design that could reach a balance between the material manufacturability and the functional performance. The thing is, we think digital manufacturing is quite fantastic because we could use our unlimited imagination to design whatever comes to our mind. And in terms of digital manufacturing, challenge this competition, we believe we don't need to, it's our first time that we don't need to follow those industrial requirements. We can design whatever we want to design, and we think it's a fantastic thing. So I think the biggest thing is there are still lots of unexplored applications that additive manufacturing might be employed for. For example, our green energy system and electrochemical system. And another thing is I learned from this competition, it's like a life philosophy. So actually we've heard about this competition this year, very late. And I think when we got to know this competition, the deadline was like less than 1 week after. So we spent days and nights trying to put everything together, trying to come up with the best report ever. And in this process, we know that we've learned that actually everything is possible. If you want to do it, then you should just start without thinking about like I couldn't finish it in time or anything like this. Just whenever you want to do it, you can do it. So actually, we believe this additive manufacturing is really flexible in terms of this green energy system and electrochemical systems. And we really would like to continue this project in the future. And that's why I would like to tell people, if any of you is interested in our project in combining additive manufacturing into this fluid optimization, and please feel free to contact us, and we can schedule a talk for the potential collaboration. Thank you.